If you're a residential contractor, let me ask you a quick question. How much of your time is spent building and how much is spent on paperwork? For too many, the dream of being on the job site is lost to late nights, agonizing over estimates, hoping you didn't miss a single detail that could totally wipe out your profit. For decades, that's just been the cost of doing business. The manual, time-consuming, and error-prone chore of estimating. You know the feeling, it's late, you're rushing, and you have that nagging fear of what did I forget? But what if that entire process could be different? What if your software wasn't just a cost, but an investment that delivered an immediate return? That's the new reality of AI-powered estimating software. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 ways that the right AI estimating software pays for itself, often on the very first project. First up, let's talk about eliminating costly errors. That's a big one. Your biggest enemy on any bid is simply human error. You're tired, you're rushing, you forgot one critical line item. That's not just a mistake, that is a huge profit killer. AI software acts as your digital second in command. It has a memory that never gets tired. Pre-built templates for residential jobs know that a basement finish needs a waterproof membrane or that a second-story bathroom needs a subfloor replacement. It literally won't let you forget. As one Handoff user, John from Chicago, said, on our first project with Handoff, the software flagged that we missed the subfloor replacement for a second-story bathroom. That was a $2,000 catch. The software paid for itself right there on day one. That one catch can more than cover the cost of the software's entire annual cost. Number 2, you can bid on more jobs with faster estimating. So what is your time worth? If you spend a full day on one complex kitchen estimate, you're losing the opportunity to bid on every other job that comes in. AI software gives you back your most valuable asset, time. We're talking about a 75% reduction in estimating time. That kitchen gut job that used to take all day, now it can take as little as 90 minutes. This isn't just about saving time, it's about creating new revenue and opportunities. With that recovered time, you can bid on and win more projects. Winning just one extra project a month can add thousands to your bottom line, turning the software from an expense to an obvious investment. The third way AI software delivers ROI is by protecting your profit margins. Ask any experienced contractor about the job that almost put them out of business. The story is almost always the same. It started with a bad estimate. They used outdated material prices, miscalculated their labor burden, and got locked into a contract that drained their resources. AI estimating software is your shield against this. The best platforms integrate with real-time local material pricing. This ensures your bid is based on today's cost, not last quarter's. It helps you calculate your fully loaded labor rates from the start. This precision is your single most important defense against those nightmare underbids. All right, fourth, you can reinvest your time in high value activities. As a business owner, you're the highest paid person in your company. If you're spending 10 hours a week on manual data entry, you are burning money. Think about that math. If you value your time at $120 an hour and AI saves you just 8 hours on one project, that's nearly $1,000 in recovered value instantly. More importantly, it's about reinvesting that time where it truly matters, growing your business, managing your team, and building the client relationships that generate referrals. It gives you back the capacity to be the leader that your company needs. And number 5, you will win better clients with world-class proposals. In a competitive market, your proposal is your first impression. A number in an email doesn't inspire confidence, but a professionally branded multi-page proposal with a detailed scope of work and clear exclusions, that contractor wins the job. The right software doesn't just calculate the cost, it generates the kind of polished client-facing documents that make you feel like you are the most organized and trustworthy contractor in town. This first impression allows you to justify a higher price and attract the higher margin clients and projects that you want. All right, let's recap. You eliminate errors, you bid on more jobs, you protect your margins, you reinvest your time, and you win better clients. The age of manual estimating is over. The contractors who are winning today aren't working harder, they're working smarter. So viewing this software as a monthly expense is looking at it the wrong way. It is a direct investment in higher profit margins and a less stressful business. You can't put a price on that. The ROI isn't theoretical, it's immediate. So if you're ready to see AI estimating in action for yourself, start a free trial at Handoff and create your first more profitable estimate literally within minutes. Guys, the future of your business starts right now. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next video.